Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make vegan pumpkin pie. First, you'll need a good vegan pie crust. You can use a store-bought one, but making your own is easy and rewarding. Combine flour, a pinch of salt, and cold vegan butter, then add ice water gradually. Roll it out and press it into your pie dish. Blind bake the crust for about 15 minutes to ensure it's perfectly crisp. Now for the star of the show, the creamy pumpkin filling. You'll need pure pumpkin puree, not pumpkin pie filling. Mix it with a plant-based milk, such as full-fat coconut milk or cashew milk for richness. Sweeten it with maple syrup or brown sugar. Don't forget the classic pumpkin pie spices: cinnamon, nutmeg, ginger, and a touch of cloves. Whisk everything until smooth and well combined. Once your filling is ready, carefully pour it into your pre-baked pie crust. Smooth the top with a spatula. Bake your pie in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for approximately 50 to 60 minutes. The edges should be set, but the center might still have a slight jiggle. This is normal. Let it cool completely on a wire rack for at least 3 hours before slicing. Your delicious vegan pumpkin pie is now ready to enjoy. For an extra special treat, serve each slice with a generous dollop of vegan whipped cream. A sprinkle of cinnamon or a few candied pecans can add a lovely finishing touch. This pie is perfect for any gathering or simply as a comforting dessert. Store any leftovers in the refrigerator for up to 4 days.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.